business turf president I represent Ronaldo Adams right here, so on the podium, CVM. You know he thinks that this is busy signal yours truly. I say watch you know, greatness. Watch ya, view it, see it, watch it, pray, CVM on the podium. Please.
Jamaica make some nice and cheer on Team Jamaica.
So we do it every time when we celebrate. Tell them start the race at Jamaica, we say all the way.
Welcome to Pon the Podium. I am your host Ronaldo Adams, and today I'm joined by reggae and dancehall great Busy Signal. Busy.
Respect.
Welcome, boss.
Respect, brother.
How are you feeling? How are you feeling? How are you doing?
It's always a blessing for us to be alive and just debut and do what we do.
That is it.
Man.
That is it.
Yeah, man.
Jamaica all the way. What inspired that track?
You know, it all came together, you know, all courtesy of Red Stripe, NJ, and Usain Bolt, and yours truly, you know, so it's just greatness. We are celebrate, you know, no matter what it is, we just want to celebrate our athletes, you know, our people, Jamaica, and then in the dialect of how we talk, yes, so, at Jamaica. So we do it, you know what I mean?
So as you mentioned just now, it's a joint collaboration between the Red Stripe team, Usain Bolt, Chanel Muir, and yourself. Walk us through the production process. What was it like?
It was well, you know, I've done this a couple of times, you know, so for me, it wasn't the hardest thing. You know what I mean? So we just go through from I get the tagline, you know, from I get to a Red Stripe, I work with me just.
So we do it every time when we celebrate. So we tell them start the race, but Jamaica we say all the way.
So we just bring out the creative segment of the brain and melody-wise where I will go and how I will formulate what to say and what we're gonna highlight in terms of you know, half of the taglines which we get from Red Stripe, and then how we are going put it and set it in terms of musical. Yeah, man. You know what I mean? Somebody else make the beat. You know, somebody at the beat was delivered to me. Then no, we get the tagline and then no, we just do the rest. You know what I mean? Chanel Muir also was included in terms of doing what she does as an artist and represent. So it was nice. It was nice, and the vibe was great. And for me, recorded because we recorded. It was recorded separately.
Okay,
You know,
okay.
I had to run, so I had to just record and create and everything and outline everything. And then now, you know, while I was away, I think I heard that Chanel did her part. Yeah, man.
Me, that reflects Jamaica's dominance historically.
Historically, it represents us, and it like you said it right. You said it right. You know what I mean? I try to put that in there somewhere, kind of talk. You know, some of the busy signal play on words there and metaphorically where would I put it and what would I mean in terms of a pro Jamaican. And as you said, historically we dominate worldwide before. You know, up till now they got records there that not touch all know by the greats who did it before, and you know, we're looking forward to more greats from this little island called Jamaica.
Have any of the athletes on the team link and say, yo, Busy, song bad, you know?
Yeah. I want to tell you, the DM.
Yeah.
The DM, through the DM, yeah, because you know it's something about, and I reach every minute, but you know, to the DM, you know, nowadays people can just go through. So it's like when the team I go through the DM, I say, no, no, sorry, and I say, yeah, man, big up, it's like that.
So Busy, you're Jamaican.
I am a Jamaican.
The whole of we can run, see?
Yeah.
But you ever did even try out for tracks in a school days?
Me probably have to go ask my auntie and my mother and my people. I remember, obviously, it never reached to a level which part made have sense.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But I think so. We have to go through the whole of that. Plus, the offshore training them, however.
Yeah.
You know, it's sad to say gunshot a beat and we run up and down. We all get beaten and we run from my mother, we run from my uncle, we run from my auntie them before, we run from my grandfather. Remember one time, we run from my grandfather one of them times. We run off of the step, jump over some a bag of thing. But yeah, man, athlete I'm on the right, man, but when I remember the professional so much part. Yeah, remember we win 2 medals and we bring one. Nah.
I want to ask you a question though. You think you could have beat me, you know?
What do you mean? I want to
ask a question.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? We keep it busy, you know. Yeah. This is not just this is not just like lyrically.
Yeah.
It's like physically.
So you're sure you could have beat me in 60 meters?
Well, we just said that. Because if it come to the test, no. Put on a track shoes, man.
All right, tell you what. Now, my people are going to talk to your people are arguing something. Is it?
Yeah, man, I would just know, say every camera line up.
That is it.
Yeah, man, every camera line up. And then, as a matter of fact, just engrave my name on the gold medal and something from now. Because I don't take less than, you know, the thing, I'm going to drop nothing. Yeah, man.
All right, boss. So we know you're always on tour. Where will you be watching the Olympics from? Will you be home here in Jamaica? You go overseas? Heck, will you be in Paris?
Yo, you know, say I'm gonna be in the Europe area, viewing it from wherever chance.
Ladies and gentlemen, Busy Signal. Busy.
Big respect. And thanks for having me. Yeah, man, big up on yourself. All the viewers right now view this. Big up on yourself. I'm great youth. Yeah, man, and greatness in the making. The young ones who are bring the torch and bring the thing them and bring and keep it informed and updated with greatness. Big up.
All the way.